How to book flight in Skyscanner. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to book flight in Skyscanner. So then to begin with, open up your Skyscanner application. After you open up your application, it's gonna direct you to the home page. Right on this page, you can see right on top you have flights. Tap on it. First of all, select the type of trip that you're doing. You can see a round trip, one-way trip, multi-city. After that, you need to select the departure place or the location. So select the location accordingly, and you need to select the destination. So select where you're actually headed to, and you need to select the date as well, or the date as well. First of all, select the month and select the date. After that, click on the confirm button. You can also select the number of adults or the number of children or number of passengers that's coming with you. And you can also select the class accordingly by tapping on this arrow icon right in the corner. Tap on the done button and click on the search tool icon located right in the corner. After that, you'll be able to see all sort of details. Now if you're sure about it, then just go ahead and select the particular company that you think it's convenient for you and click on the select button. Now it's going to take you to the providers page, and lastly it's going to direct you to the confirmation page where you need to enter in all sort of details such as your contact details. After that, it's going to ask you to provide in your card details, so then type in your card details and make your payment. Once you're done making the payment, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully booked your ticket, and that's just gonna be an evidence that you've successfully booked your ticket, and that's gonna be needed on the airport. So that is how you can book a flight in Skyscanner online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.